guys came back. I'm so happy you came to join another unboxing. But first, let's go ahead and do our moment of inspiration. So today I was inspired by a quote that I found on my phone, and it was, "If you can envision it in your mind, you will have it in your hand." So it is the law of attraction saying that if you picture the end result, you will get there. So yes, we have to work on things along the way, but if we keep thinking about the end result, then we will be inspired along the way to pick up those things that lead us there to that end result. So I know sometimes we can get chaotic in our head and think about, like, you know, what is it that I gotta do to get there? How am I going to get there? All of these things that kind of confuzzle us. So remember, see that end result. The universe will fill in the blanks and you'll be inspired and led from one step to the next. So hopefully that is what you all will be doing soon, because I know the holidays we get kind of filled up in our brain pans. So no more cooking that. All right. Now, what we're gonna do today is unbag LiveGlam. So if you don't know what LiveGlam is, it's a Lippie monthly subscription for $19.99. You receive 3 to 4 items per month, and they release a collection every month. The awesome thing about this subscription is that if you don't like or care for that month's collection, you can swap it out for a previous collection or any of the variations that they have. The other cool thing is if you only want to swap out one item, you can. So it's either all or one, but either way, it's a lot of fun. The other thing with this club is you do earn points for doing reviews, and then you can use that towards a purchase in their little shop. So let's go ahead and get it started right now. All right, so first thing is that it comes with this cute little card. This month's theme is feeling Fantas-Taco. So you know I'm all about the cheesy jokes. So I'm always like, I tell my kids when they're giving me lip, or you know what I mean, just goofing off, I'm like, I don't want to talk about that right now. So yeah, that's my cheesy moment of the day. The other thing here is on the back, you do get the colors and the names. So very fun. And then it also comes in these cute little bags. They're like little satin bags, and this one says LiveGlam Kiss Me. So it usually will come with a bag. The last few bags I've gotten have been a silky pink, so I think they do switch that out every now and again. So so first of all, I want to let you know that I did swap out one, and we'll talk about that later, from the collection. But here are the 2 in the taco collection that I did not swap out. And then here is the color of the one that I did swap. So the reason that I did that is, I know I said later, I was going to talk about it later, but let's just get it off the table. So there's this color here called Salsa, and it's super pretty, but I thought that it was just going to be more of a lip gloss. So I was like, well, I really want some color. I'm trying to build up my collection, so let me go ahead and pick something with a color. But then I'm looking at it and I'm kind of sad. Like, my energy was like, well, you should have picked it. So now I'm kind of bummed. Bummer. But anyway, still not going to ruin the fun of this unbagging. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with Tacos for Life. So Tacos for Life looks like a nude color, which I'm all about. I love nudes. No, not nudes, mauves. I love nudes and mauves, so I will probably most likely be wearing that on my channels. So here is that mauve color, and you know what? I forgot I have lipstick on, so Please hold. Sorry, you had to see me digging through my drawers. Un momento, por favor. Do, 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 do. That's my waiting music. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off. All right. And let me sneaky business my mirror because I forgot to do that. I know, I'm such a newbie. Gosh. All right, where were we? All right, so mauve color here. And let's put this puppy on thy lips. Okay, so very pretty color. I think my favorite color so far. Very nice, moisturizing. It is a matte. It does dry down nicely, does not suck the life out of your lips, if you know what I mean. So very good, very happy. That is something I have experienced with this brand in the past, which is why I continue to get the collection or subscription. All right, so there is that guy, Tacos Faux Life. And let's wipe this off. I know, it's not very attractive to wipe my lips off on camera, but here we are. All right, next color is Spicy. So this was the more of the reddish color. I think that I may have forgot to tell you guys, you know, that it does have the doe foot applicator, if you were curious or interested. And this one, ooh, is very, very seductive. Yeah, this one you might want to put on your dancing shoes. Okay. Oh, you don't. Ooh, you don't need much. So yeah, very date night-ish. Like you and your babe could go out and be like, look at my lips. Alright, I didn't intend to be this cheesy today, but I gotta be honest. I guess I'm just being cheesy. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about this. So same formula as the other. It does feel exactly the same as the other. I do like it. I probably will not reach for much of this just because it is so red, and I am about the nudes and the mauves. So, but if you're into this, very good color, very good quality. Now let's go ahead and move on to the one that I picked, or swapped, I mean. Do, do, do. And I know this one is, it's not that it's hard to come off, it's just that it's so much more pigmented and dark. Okay. All right, now let's talk about, this is Bloom, and this must have came in a previous collection that had a flower theme, obviously. So I chose this because I like the mauve and nude colors, and I thought that that other color was gonna be more of just a gloss. So I may have to purchase it with my points now, but that's all right. Here we are. All right, so here's that lovely mauve color. Let's go ahead, same applicator as thy others. Alright, you know what? This is a lot more orangey than I thought it was gonna be. I'm okay with that, but again, it's a little bit bright for my liking. So, makes me kind of bummed again that I didn't choose salsa. Like, who's gonna want chips without salsa? Like, who's gonna want a collection without salsa? Like, anywho, still a great formula, great color. I do like it. I am excited that I was able to switch this out. Do you guys get this collection? Do you, or have you switched out at all? And also, I wanted to mention my eyes because I am a kind of a simpler makeup look kind of gal. I did end up using the NYX palette from our previous video, and if you missed that, I will link it probably over here because I do other stuff over here. But look how pretty these colors are. I did use the orange here and the shimmer orange, although it kind of looks a little bit pink, more pink than I would have liked. And then I did use the green. I did have to wet that green, as you've seen in the swatches, that it did take a couple of times to do, but it did work. And I would say this is a nice palette. It had all of these fun colors. I loved every single one of them. They all swatched well. And they did perform exactly the same on the swatches as on my eye. So if you are interested in seeing this look and the swatches, go to my Instagram channel page over here, and I'll link that. So thank you all for watching, and if you are interested in LiveGlam, I will leave a link down below so that you can join. I am not sponsored. I do not receive PR. I do pay for this myself. So hopefully I can start getting you guys some discount codes. So please like, share, comment, get me out there so we can get some codes, because I want to do this for you guys. Like, I just totally enjoy making these videos. I have a lot of makeup subscriptions and I just want to share them. So yeah, anyway, again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. Thank you, lovely people.